Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Subaru BRZ and I really liked this casting when I saw, so I immediately bought it without any hesitation. So I'm pretty sure there is going to be some kind of disappointment here, but let's open and get disappointed instead of getting disappointed even before opening. The Hot Wheels style. You open and you get disappointed. Okay. So as I said, the first disappointment is the paint job here. You can see a lot of paint bubbling here, but the paint scheme they used here, that looks really nice because the glossy blue with this a little bit of purple pinstriping, and this livery is really nice. It doesn't have any headlight details, like I told in the prelude video, and taillight details as well, nothing is there. So the full body is metal and the chassis is plastic. The rims are pretty basic, which is honestly not really good. They could have went with some deep dish rims, that would have served the purpose really well. And the bumper here, this is plastic. I don't know if there is anything you can do with this. It is just it is just a plastic bumper. That's it. It doesn't. I don't think it serves any purpose unless or until there is a separate set like that one. That Hulk set. Where it demolishes the brick kind of brick wall and everything. So it has interior detail. Okay, that is nice, but it has a lot of scratches as well. Not really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Honestly, the paint scheme they used is really good, but I really wish whoever is going to get this one, you are at least you guys are getting a good one instead of whatever I'm having here. Okay, 33 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, it does roll really well. Okay, let's do a second try now. Okay, closer to the finish line. Okay, third try. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, maybe there is not so much of disappointment after all. It does roll really well. I don't see any wheel wobble, so it is really good to play in the track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.